New Google Pemele is insane. Today, I'm going to show you how Google just dropped an AI tool that builds entire marketing campaigns in minutes, no designer needed, no agency fees, just you and AI. This is Pemele from Google Labs and DeepMind, and it's about to change how you do marketing forever. I tested it myself, and what happened next blew my mind. Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly how this works. Let me ask you something. How much time do you waste on marketing content every single week? Social media posts, campaign visuals, brand assets, it all takes forever, right? And if you don't have a designer on your team, you're either paying someone hundreds of dollars or you're stuck using basic templates that look like everyone else's content. Well, that problem just got solved. Google Labs teamed up with DeepMind to create Pemele. This is an AI marketing tool built specifically for small and medium businesses. But here's the thing, anyone can use it: creators, agencies, solo entrepreneurs. If you need marketing content, this tool is for you. And the crazy part is in public beta right now. That means you can start using it today if you're in the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand. It only works in English for now, but trust me, this is just the beginning. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. So, what exactly does Pemele do? It creates on brand social media campaigns, assets, visuals, and copy in 3 simple steps. Step 1, it builds your business DNA by scanning your website and visual identity. Step 2, it generates tailored campaign ideas based on your brand. Step 3, it creates editable, high quality branded assets that you can download and use immediately. This is not some cheap AI tool that spits out generic garbage. This is Google and DeepMind working together. The same people behind ChatGPT level technology are now making marketing tools. Think about that for a second. Now, I want to talk about something important. Before we go further, I need to mention the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach people how to scale their businesses, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We're talking about real strategies that work right now. If you want to stay ahead in this AI revolution, you need to be in the boardroom. The link is in the description. Go check it out because the people who join early are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. All right. Now let's get back to Pemele. Now let me break down how this actually works because this is where it gets interesting. The first step is business DNA. You give Pemele your website URL. That's it. The AI scans your entire site and extracts your brand colors, your fonts, your tone of voice, your visual identity, everything that makes your brand unique. Most businesses have no idea what their actual brand identity is. They just throw stuff together and hope it looks good. Pemele solves that problem instantly. It tells you what your brand actually is based on what you already have online. Here's why this matters. Consistency is everything in marketing. When your brand looks the same across every platform, people remember you, they trust you, they buy from you. But most people don't have the time or money to hire a brand designer to create that consistency. Pemele does it automatically. Once your business DNA is built, you move to step 2. Campaign ideas. This is where most people get stuck. You know, you need to post on social media, you know, you need to run campaigns. But what do you actually say? What kind of content do you create? Pemele fixes that. It suggests campaign ideas based on your brand and your industry. But here's the best part. You can also prompt your own ideas. Let's say you're running a sale or you're launching a new product, or you just want to post something fun for the holidays. You type it in and Pemele generates campaign concepts tailored to your brand. No more staring at a blank screen. No more wondering what to post. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Now here's where it gets even better. Step 3 is creating the actual assets. Pemele takes your campaign idea and generates images, copy, and social media posts that match your brand perfectly. And these aren't locked in. You can edit everything inside the tool, change the text, swap the colors, adjust the layout, then download it and use it wherever you want. Think about how much time this saves. No more back and forth with designers, no more waiting days for revisions. You get professional quality marketing assets in minutes, and you can tweak them yourself until they're perfect. I'm going to be honest with you, when I first heard about this tool, I thought it was going to be another overhyped AI gimmick. But then I actually tested it. I put in a sample website, I let it scan the brand, and the assets it generated were legitimately good, like better than what most freelancers charge hundreds of dollars for. Now, let me tell you why this is a massive opportunity for you. If you're a creator, an agency owner, or a freelancer, Pemele is about to become your secret weapon. Here's how. Let's say you're a video editor, you edit YouTube videos for clients. That's great. But what if you could also generate the thumbnail, the social media posts, the ad visuals, and the campaign copy, all branded, all professional, all in minutes? You just went from being a video editor to being a full marketing partner. And guess what? You can charge way more for that. Clients will pay you more because you're solving more problems for them. Or maybe you run an agency, you handle content creation, you do SEO, you manage social media. Now you can add campaign creation to your services without hiring a designer. You input the client's website into Pemele, you generate the campaign, you deliver the assets, done. This is how you scale without adding overhead. This is how you increase your profit margins. This is how you stay ahead of everyone else who's still doing things the old way. And if you're a solo entrepreneur building your own brand, Pemele saves you thousands of dollars. You don't need to hire a designer. You don't need to pay for expensive tools. You just need Pemele. I want to talk about the pros and cons because nothing's perfect. Let's start with the pros. First, speed. This tool is fast. You can generate a full campaign in minutes. That's insane. Second, brand consistency. Everything Pemele creates matches your brand identity. No more random designs that don't fit your vibe. Third is low budget. You don't need to hire a designer. You don't need expensive software. You just need Pemele. Fourth is in public beta right now, which means you can test it for free. Now, the cons, it's still experimental. Google is calling this the early days, which means there will be bugs, there will be limitations. It's not going to be perfect yet. Second, it's only available in English and only in certain countries. If you're outside the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, you might not be able to use it yet. Third, the brand identity modeling depends on your website. If your website is a mess, Pemele might extract the wrong tone or visuals, so you need to have a clean, well-structured website for this to work properly. Fourth, there are privacy concerns. Pemele scans your entire website to build your business DNA. That means Google is analyzing your brand data. If you're worried about that, you need to check the privacy policy before using it. Here's my best practice advice. First, keep your website brand assets clean. Make sure your colors, fonts, and tone are consistent across your site. That way, Pemele extracts the right information. Second, input clear prompts. When you're generating campaign ideas, be specific, tell Pemele exactly what you want. Third, always tweak the output. Don't just download the first thing Pemele generates. Edit it, make it better, add your own creativity. Fourth, evaluate the metrics. Track how your Pemele generated content performs. Does it get more engagement, more clicks, more sales? Use data to improve. And here's the mindset shift you need to make. Pemele is an assistant, not a replacement. It speeds up your workflow. It saves you money, but it doesn't replace your creative control. You still need to think strategically. You still need to understand your audience. You still need to test and optimize. AI is a tool, not a magic button. You can use Pemele for client work. Let's say a client comes to you and says they need a campaign for a product launch. You spend 10 minutes in Pemele generating the assets. You add your own creative tweaks. You deliver it to the client. They love it. This is how you scale. This is how you increase your income without working more hours. This is how you use AI to your advantage while everyone else is still doing things the old way. Now, I want to talk about the bigger picture. Pemele is just the beginning. Google and DeepMind are investing heavily in AI tools. This is not a one-off experiment. This is the future of marketing. In the next few years, AI is going to automate most of the repetitive tasks in marketing, content creation, campaign planning, asset generation, all of it. The people who learn how to use these tools now are going to dominate. The people who ignore them are going to get left behind. It's that simple. You have a choice. You can either adapt and thrive, or you can resist and struggle. I know which one I'm choosing. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the Google Labs website, sign up for Pemele, test it out, generate some assets, see how it works with your brand. Then think about how you can use it to make money. Can you add it to your services? Can you use it for your own business? Can you teach others how to use it? There are so many opportunities here. The people who move fast are going to win. The people who wait are going to miss out. And listen, I know some of you are thinking, but Julian, I don't have a business yet. I don't have a website. I don't have a brand. That's fine. Start now. Build a simple website. Define your brand. Then use Pemele to create your marketing content. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The barrier to entry for building a business has never been lower. You don't need a huge budget. You don't need a team. You just need the right tools and the willingness to learn. Pemele is one of those tools. Use it. Now let me talk about some limitations you need to watch out for. First, Pemele is still in beta. That means it's going to have bugs. It's going to make mistakes. Don't rely on it 100%. Always review the output. Always add your own touch. Second, it's limited to certain countries right now. If you're outside those markets, you might need to wait, but keep an eye on it because Google will expand availability. Third, the quality of the output depends on the quality of your input. If your website is messy, Pemele will generate messy results. Clean up your site first. Here's another thing to consider. Pemele is free right now because it's in beta, but Google is not going to keep it free forever. Eventually, they're going to charge for it. So take advantage of the free access while you can, test it, learn it, build your workflow around it. That way, when they start charging, you'll already know if it's worth the investment. And let me be real with you, not every AI tool is worth using. Some of them are overhyped garbage, but Pemele is different. It's backed by Google and DeepMind. It's solving a real problem. It's actually useful. That's why I'm talking about it. I only recommend the tools that I would actually use myself. Now, here's something else you need to know. Pemele is not just for big campaigns. You can use it for small stuff too. Need a quick Instagram post? Use Pemele. Need a Facebook ad? Use Pemele. Need a graphic for a blog post? Use Pemele. It's fast enough that you can use it for everyday tasks, not just major campaigns. This is how you stay consistent with your marketing. Consistency is what builds brands. Consistency is what gets results, and Pemele makes consistency easy. All right, let's wrap this up. Pemele is a game changer. It's fast, it's powerful, it's free right now, and it's going to save you time and money. If you're not using it, you're leaving money on the table. Here's what you need to do. First, go sign up for Pemele, test it out, see what it can do. Second, think about how you can use it to make money. Can you add it to your services? Can you use it for your own business? Third, stay ahead of the curve. AI is changing everything. The people who adapt are going to win. And if you want to learn more about using AI to make money, join the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You get access to over 1,000 free N8N workflows. You get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You also get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description. Go check it out right now. This is the future. AI is not going away. It's only going to get more powerful. The question is, are you going to use it to your advantage or are you going to let it pass you by? I've shown you Pemele. I've shown you how it works. I've shown you how to make money with it. Now it's up to you to take action, go test it, go use it, go make money with it. And remember, Julian Goldie reads every comment. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Pemele. Are you going to use it? What are you going to create with it? I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.